Hi everyone. Uh, okay, this is a small Michael's haul. I went last Wednesday the 5th. Yeah, last Wednesday the 5th of February. Anyhow, um, I had a 40% off coupon, and I also had 25% off regular price items. That was on the cashier slip from last time I was at Michael's. I didn't get it again this time, but anyhow, it's okay. Um, where you go to Michael's site and you do, what do you call it? Oh, you answer some questions. Anyhow, um, let me see. Okay. Uh, most of this stuff is I found in liquidation, and I will start with that. I found these Dilution sticker book. Okay, regular price was $23.99. I got it for $8.97. I mean, liquidation. My Michael's liquidation, I don't know, sometimes. Anyhow, so this is stickers that I got. These are beautiful. I love the illusion stuff. Look at that. So now here's stickers that I could color. Are they stickers? Yeah. So I could color these. Yeah. Those are to-do lists. Look at those. So, words, sentiments. I get 2 sheets like that. Oh, 3 sheets like that. Look at that. Look how cute that octopus is. And look at that. Anglerfish. Look at the big mushroom. You get another. Oh, this one's different. You get an eye. Look at that eye. The bird. Oh, wow. Look at that skull with a top hat. Like a cute cat. There you go. Wow. And uh, the months. The months of the year. January, February, March, April, and again, but in smaller, all the months. And look at those journaling spots. And more that I could color. And look at these. Those are awesome. That's for edging and paper. And then these ones I could color. And that's it. So there are 24 sheets, and there's doesn't say exactly how many. Oh, here, 427 pieces in there. That's awesome. Okay. Now I also found this. This was originally $15. It was marked down to $1.50, and that's a stamp set, Halloween stamp set with a die cut of a tree and with bats flying in the air and some tombstones. And I have this now. There's no price on it. Hang on, let me see. I got this also on liquidation. There is no barcode. This is 7 Gypsies. Just trying to, I think, it was $2.97. Yeah, it was $2.97. I got that in there. This is what they call chicken wire. Chicken wire, and it's a sticker. So, and you could cut it in pieces that you need. I have something in mind for this that I'm going to be doing. Okay. Now, also on liquidation, I found this originally a Deco Art Americana texture medium. As regular price is $4.97. I mean, $4.49, and I got it for $2.67. But because of the extra 25% off. Okay, no, I didn't get an extra 25% off because this was on liquidation. It was only on regular price items. Anyhow, so I wanted to get myself some crackle medium. Even though I use white glue and paint to do it, sometimes it doesn't work out. So, and I had trouble finding this, so I asked one of the girls if they where the crackle medium is, and of course it was where the paints are, and like I looked and I couldn't find it. Anyhow, so what she did was she found Martha Stewart's. Now Martha Stewart's crackle medium was only a 6-ounce bottle, and it was $2 or $3 more than this. Now the regular price of this is $11.99. Yeah, I found, and I kept looking after she left. I kept looking, and I found from Folk Art a crackle medium that's made by Plaid. Anyhow, so the regular price is $11.99, and with the 25% off, I got it for $8.99. And bead blending. I found these charms. There, I'll take it out of the package because of the glare. Look at that. They're dragons. Look at that. Those are awesome. Anyhow, and those regular bead lining, that was a regular price. It was $4.49 regular price, and I got $1.50. No, it's regular $5.99. Sorry. So I got $1.59, $1.50 off. So it's $4.49, and then I had a 40% off coupon. So what do you think I did? What do you think I got with 40% off? I finally did it. I bought it. What is it called? A Crop-A-Dile? Anyhow, that's it. I'm so happy with this. I have the other one, the hand one, but I really wanted this so I could get, you know, when you're doing journals, it's easier to, for the length of the paper. Anyhow, so here in Canada, the regular price of the Crop-A-Dile is $59.99, $60. So because I had 40% off, I paid $35.99, so I got $24 off of that. Plus, on top of that, I got off my total purchase. I got, because I 10% off, and added 10% off because a senior's rates. Anyhow, so I hope you like this little haul, and I'll see you guys again. Have fun. Ciao.